show you an incredible recipe. Once again, we're talking about our great deals on chicken. We went to the store, we got some marked down meat. It's a great way to feed your family. Again, I'd always prefer that the meat is organic, but we can't always afford it, especially in this economy, and we've got to save money. So what we've got are 3 packages of chicken. These are chicken tenders, and there's nothing in them. This one was originally $7.45. Each of these were about $6. So we've got about $20 worth of meat here that I paid a whopping $5.50 for. So for less than the price of 1 package of chicken, we're going to make 3 entire packages of chicken. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a fajita type meat that is wonderful, that you can just keep packages of it in your freezer. It's super simple. You're going to love this recipe. So we've got an onion. Let's just say that onion cost $0.25. So now we're up to a whopping $5.75, and we already showed you how to make taco seasoning for just a few pennies with the different seasonings and spices. So we're up to $6. So we're going to make 3 packages of chicken plus a meal dinner for us tonight for about $6. Are you ready to learn how to do that? Come with me. What we're going to do is we're going to chop up our onion. And what we want to do with fajitas, they usually have the longer slices of onions. So anytime we're chopping up onions at the Prudent Wife, what we're always going to do is take our extra skins for our onions. We're going to put them in our bag, and we're going to make the bone building broth out of them. We want to give our families maximum nutrition, and we want to use up every part of everything that we're actually cooking. We're not wasting anything here at the Prudent Wife, which is really a great way to live. It's very green, it's very sustainable, and it'll save you a ton of money. You're going to love how much money you're going to save. So we're just going to get all the skin off this onion, and then we're going to chop it up into long, thin slices. This onion is the size of a softball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it in thirds. If it was a tiny little onion, I probably wouldn't do that. And then I'm going to cut really thin slivers. We've got our oil that's nice and hot, and we're going to throw some onions into each pan. And while those are beginning to cook up a little bit, we're going to chop up our chicken a little bit finer. Boy, you can tell we've been using this all day. All right, you can see these are already tender, so they don't need a lot of chopping. We're just going to chop them kind of like this, get them a little bit smaller. Goes really, really fast. And then we'll throw them in with those sizzling onions. More done than we would like. And this is something great to take this chicken and actually marinate it. That would be wonderful. But we kind of found this on sale, and sometimes when you find things on sale, you have got to add taco seasoning on there. Again, if this wasn't such a hurried purchase that I really need to cook up and get in the freezer, I probably would have made an actual fajita marinade with some lime and lemon and other things. Really yummy. I like doing that. So this is just our regular taco seasoning. Again, showing you how versatile that taco seasoning is. This is great to do when you have lots of bell peppers in the garden, don't know what to do with them, kind of tired of them. You can always make a bell pepper mixture with onions and actually freeze the mixture with or without meat. Great way to use up those summer harvests. Those onions nice and caramelized. The meat is done, and it's just beautiful meat. You could have chopped this up smaller after you cook it. Before you cook it, doesn't matter. This is just sort of our fajita meat. And these can go into tacos. You'd want to cut them up a little bit more. It could go in a casserole, a soup, a stew, all sorts of things. You can do whatever you want to. Sky is the limit. $2 worth of meat. Anti-inflammatory, good for your family. I am so excited about this. We ended up getting 5 bags of chicken fajita mix out of the 3 packages of chicken that we got. This is $6. These are $1.25 a bag.